What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Shay. Welcome back to A Day with Shay, where you get a little love, a little wretchedness, and a whole lot of gang shit. You dig? Intro out the way. Cut. Ooh. Gang. I'm always doing like a challenge or a story time or something, right? I'm gonna try to vlog today. Ooh. Okay, chocolate. Unlike Chris Brown, I still appreciate chocolate, people. We're walking to Randalls Island. They know everybody. Look. They know everybody. Know everybody, know everybody, know everybody. Who the hell was that? I know what we can talk about. How Nate blocked me. This one right here blocks me on Instagram, right? Yes, get them angles for your friends, sis. If your friend not getting angles for you like this, they don't love you. Angles, always. For the people in my vlog, I don't care if they don't want to be in it. That's just gonna happen. Oh yeah, so Nate blocked me. So I know she probably asked her, like, her followers, like, hey guys, how should I prank Shay? And I know y'all probably sent some stuff on her DM. I just want to confirm with Nate that if she wants to prank me, that's perfectly fine. But once you open the door up for me to prank you, oh, get crazy, best friend. No? She acting funny. I don't know. She didn't say nothing to me yet. Now, you ignoring me? Oh. Oh, okay. Damn, I'm hungry now. Next girl I walk past, cousin. I just know I was looking at my Instagram and it said, follow Crave Nay. And then I clicked on it and said follow back, and I was mad confused. Like, really confused. The niggas is out. It's nice outside, ladies. Y'all better go find y'all nigga. They out. They out. Trust me, these niggas is at these cookouts, these brunches, these day parties. It's nice outside. Niggas, where are you?
New York, I really rock a lot. Hiding in my sock. Hiding in my sock. Selling every rock.
I can't wait to get my nails done so I can be in the camera like, yeah. So the other day, as at the party, we was walking over that way. Oh shit, gnats. Don't you fucking hate when you... The fuck? Is it a gnat on my lip? Ew! It was a gnat on my lip! I don't have any makeup on. I definitely could have wore makeup though. It's not that hot. Nate said no makeup or... Nate is saying no makeup all summer 19, right? That's what Nate is gonna do. Bitch, I'm beating this state. You feel me? Like,
big old freak, huh? Big booty, big old tree. I'ma make him wait for the pussy. Wait.
your gang. Best friend say gang. Yo, what's your name? What's your name?
I just told you.
It's not. I messed your name up. I didn't know your name. So I'm gonna tell you my name, and then you're gonna tell me your name? No? Cool.
You did bad.
I'm gonna tell you. How? I just automatically assume no.
Cool. So deal with it. Ah, don't do that to me. Que tú sabes, tranquilo, vivo. That's it. Como la grasa. Que lo que? Como la grasa.
You ready for DR already, huh, nigga?
If we die, that's it.
I think I said if we die, that's it.
I'm going to DR next week. I'm good.
I
hear you.
Hey, what's up, dog? We straight.
good.
Gang.
Trying to die on live, that's it.
That's it.
Como la grasa. Como la grasa.
I'm going to have to put on that EDO. I got you. It's all right.
Stop touching my best friend. She
Name's my friend. I don't know what you're talking about. I love him. Battle of the best friend. I'm her male best friend. You be alright?
He's not.
You keep your lady shit. We don't care about that.
Look at JJ. Ooh, bearded Poppy. Oh my goodness. He's so bearded.
Did you get her calamari
He's so bearded. Oh my God, bearded Bobby. JJ, come here. I gotta tell you something. Come here. Come be in my vlog. Come here.
Yo, fuck your vlog. I'm getting calamari right now.
Niggas with beards just want to talk shit. That's what it is.
Long time. I know you had the kid and everything. Congratulations.
Right. And you got another one on the way.
You got another one on the way. Definitely, that is absolutely right.
Niggas having mad babies out there. Not me. Not Shay.
We need to try to get sponsored by Johnson & Johnson. They fucked up right now. Baby powder is linked to cancer, so you can get some money right now, my nigga.
Hi, no, your name Press. Ha ha ha. This was a lot of my interest. This shit is lit. We in the spot. Somebody play some music. It's about to be lit.
Not in the spot. We in Shitty Burger. This is about to fuck
Bro, this shit is amazing on a drunk night. I don't know what the fuck you talking about, bro. White Castle's always hit on a drunk night, bro. I don't know what the fuck you talking about.
I can't do White Castle.
You take
I don't
your
remember
good
the
shit
last
in the
time I
morning,
ate
you
White
do it
Castle. Who
right.
won the money for the twerker contest? Was it the girl in the lime green shorts? I love her.
I love her.
Snow White. Oh my God, with her chocolate ass. She was so bad. Her ass was just in them shorts.
I think she's curious.
I'm not curious. I'm a nigga. I'm a nigga. That's it.
I thought you was curious already. We gonna go. This is a true vlog right now, y'all. How y'all doing? Oh, you still on live? Damn, I didn't even know you were still on live. You had one viewer.
So what? If she was on live on her one view, she was on live on her one view.
All right, so
This is a true vlog?
We gonna go to a true vlog, yeah. So are you gay or not? What's up?
I'm not gay. I just think bitches is bad.
No.
Having sex with a female and being gay is two different things.
Are you bi? Are you bisexual?
No,
When you look at vagina?
Would you eat pussy?
When you look at vagina?
Would you eat pussy?
I did not.
YouTube. Y'all now know she out here licking vagina when she feel like.
What?
Oh my God, he has a beard. It's so popping. Bearded popping.
He got your color. That's the kind of vibe he was, right?
Yeah.
He got your color.
I love you so much, JJ. You're the best. Thank you so much.
Let's go, it's good. We in the cheeseburger factory.
What part of the box you from?
JJ, so
What's your Instagram?
My
I
nigga,
feel like I got your
that's
Instagram. Yeah, I was about to say, I knew I was a fucking.
Excuse me.
What we talking, my nigga? The total over that, 40.
Oh, why are you acting like that? You act a mad stink for no reason. Wow.
Came out on time, right? Here when niggas be doing live, right? That's about.
I know you want hookah. Yeah, you think of it. Say one thing to your ex.
How you doing? How you doing?
He needs some milk.
Put it on blast. Hoes over hoes.
I like your brother, but I hate you.
One thing to my ex, shout out to you, much respect, hope the best for you. See you whenever.
That's the rapper.
You ain't gonna be taping us in White Castle. We ain't doing it.
What?
We ain't doing it.
It's already a whole video on White
Exactly,
Castle.
this is
You
a
late,
whole
nigga.
vlog.
What you talking about?
What did you ask? What did you say to your
I
ex?
just gave him 20 cash.
Say
What
it for
did you
her.
say to your ex?
You're a bitch.
Not that light skinned nigga I know.
Who are you talking about?
Who you know?
The light skinned nigga you was with.
Sorry.
No. Whoa. You talking about? No. Talking about my. She was talking about him. Okay. No, where do I start?
Later that same evening.
Be careful. Say yeah. Shut up.
When niggas go on Herbalife, they don't know how to act.
It's the tea. It's the tea.
Maybe if he went
Yo,
over Herbalife,
niggas
he
go
would
on
know how to
Herbalife,
act.
they don't know how to act, you heard?
Don't talk to my best friend like
Listen,
that.
Herbalife changed your life completely. The guys, what you wear, everything.
Everything changes.
Yes.
How you got that beard though? Over life?
This is real. And no
He's spending a lot of pussy.
Not like that. Fuck that nigga smooth.
Say one thing to your ex.
Fake ass Trey Songz.
Bathtub vibes. Treat yourself. Put some bubbles in the fucking tub. Relax. Put some Epsom salt, some motherfucking lavenders in there. You know what I'm talking about?
I don't have nothing to say to my ex. I've never been in a relationship in my life.
YouTube. She lying.
How old are you?
What's your sign?
I was hoping he didn't say Taurus.
Yeah, I'm about to say, right? I was
My birthday's in October.
I saw what? Oh, okay. Okay. Libra. That's a nice sign. Libra men are pretty generous.
These niggas live around here. I gotta move back to Jersey. Take your ass to Jersey, nigga.
Don't talk to my new friend like that.
Please don't. Thank you. He don't understand. Like my joints work. That's what that. That's what that.
Taking a camera.
Clarence is talking his bullshit for no reason.
Clarence. You look like a Clarence.
You an asshole.
You look like a Clarence.
See, nigga, see? This is what they do all the time, see? This is what they do.
Yo, put it in there. Nigga, spoon ass.
Fuck y'all.
Rude, yo.
He does look like a Clarence. That's a good thing. He looks like a Clarence.
What does a Clarence look like?
Every man I met named Clarence is handsome, so he looked like a Clarence.
Despite Clarence being handsome, he is talking his bullshit.
Like every other nigga. Niggas talk shit all day.
Did Clarence get the drawers or no?
Clarence, do you get the panties?
Most of the time. You know, I go about it the right way.
Okay.
So,
That's a question for you to answer.
I go about it
Do you get the drawers?
I don't get no drawers.
Do you get the
My
drawers?
name ain't Clarence.
I'm washed up, dog.
That mean you don't get drawers because your name not Clarence. You look like you get panties.
Do niggas named Clarence get the drawers? That's what y'all
I don't know. I never did put a name Clarence.
So a nigga
You gotta be 45 and over to be named Clarence. I'm the
Are
only young nigga named Clarence.
Heard you.
Yeah. We all know.
Every other nigga JJB, how you let these niggas come in here and violate you, B?
My nigga, I'm on 2 lines.
Smoot calls you a hoe when he talk about niggas violating you. He calls you a hoe. Exactly.
And all your food on 1 line.
Excuse me, sir. There's no need to speak like that.
Right, when he don't line at Jimmy's on Saturday night, he gonna be mad.